Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Sierra College Physics Department experimental demos. In front of you, we have the dangers of electricity. There is a hot dog made to represent your finger, or you, and which will be running electricity or current through. On the left is a variac, so I'm going to adjust the AC voltage up, and we're going to measure it on the left in amps, and the voltage on the right. So if we follow this, the current, it goes through and is done in series, and the voltage is measured in parallel across those. So we're going to turn it on and keep adjusting it. 40 volts, I'm already getting almost 2 amps of current. I can see the top of the hot dog already bulging out. It's broken apart, and we have lots of steam.